Hello everyone, it's Mimi and I am super excited to share with you what is inside this box that I just received. I've got my scissors, so I'm going to start opening it up. These are hair care products and I had them shipped to me. And they came all the way from the United States of Canada. So, wow, I was super scared when I saw the size of this box because these products look tiny and they are not. So let's get into it. I got the Innate Life Herbal Hair Mask, the Rose Hair Elixir. These beautiful packaging. It's actually got roses on the side. And, ooh, it smells divine. It smells so much like a real rose garden. It's amazing. And I haven't even opened the box. You can see I'm just opening the actual shipping container and it already smells good. And I got this, which is the Innate Life Scalp Treatment. I actually bought the package with the 3 products came in one. I didn't get the shampoo or the conditioner because I actually really like the ones by Shea Moisture. But I am so excited to do this unboxing with you. You just don't know. Get rid of that. And I want to see what this scalp treatment smells like. Ooh. I hope this hardens up. I'm not going to open this right now because as you can see, it's liquid. It's like melted. So I'm going to let it cool off and hope it goes back to a solid. I think it's supposed to be, because like this, I can't use it. So let's just see. This scalp treatment is supposed to be applied to dry hair section using a wide tooth, using a comb, and apply a pea-sized amount to your scalp and massage for 3 to 5 minutes. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Cool. Store in a cool, dry place and use within 8 months. Okay. All right, so this needs to harden before I can use it because it's hot and it has obviously melted and I don't want to open it right now. So this treatment contains, well, I don't know. So, all right, it's just a scalp treatment. So the next product I got is the Rose Hair Oil. Let's open the box, see what it looks like. It smells amazing and I haven't even opened it. Wow. I'm really looking forward to using this. This product is supposed to tame, frizz, and add shine. You're supposed to massage a few drops of the elixir in between the palms of your hands and apply to the ends of your hair. It's also supposed to be used within 8 months and can be used to control frizz, add shine, and as a heat protectant. It's also supposed to supply moisture. And then the herbal hair mask has no box. They just give me the container, this beautiful bottle, very minimalist. And this is supposed to, it says on the back, let me read it to you. Dry and damaged hair, rejoice. This herbal hair mask is the answer to your prayers. This intensive once-a-week hair mask has the power to naturally transform hair into a silky dream. Formulated with over 15 plant botanicals, the herbal hair mask keeps hair soft, silky, and shiny. Natural detanglers leave strands tangle-free and manageable. The sap mask will also reverse damage caused by heat tools and hair dyes. For sad-looking locks, the herbal hair mask is sure to cheer them up. And this is supposed to, the directions say to shake well before each use, apply to dry or slightly damp hair, saturate hair mask on the mid to the ends of the hair strands, leave on for a few hours or overnight, wash hair as normal, store in a cool, dry place, keep away from direct sunlight. So, this is going to be part 1 of this video series because my hair is a mess and I want to try this tonight. So hopefully that conditioner will be hardened up by this afternoon when I get home from work and I can use it. And I will make an update video for you tomorrow morning when I wash the stuff out of my hair. Because I plan on putting this in my hair tonight and leaving it in overnight, just like the directions say. Hopefully this will help my hot mess of a hair look and feel better in the morning. TTYL Mimi. P.S. I forgot to say, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, still give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, give it a 2 thumbs up. If you want to see other things by me, let me know in the comment section below. I like positive comments. I like negative comments. I just like comments. Just let me know. You can follow me on YouTube, of course, by hitting subscribe. You can read my blog at iamnotastylist@blogspot.com, and you can also follow me on Instagram at cyberalohakiwi. Bye bye.